In today's video, we're taking a look at Clickbank and how you can actually make money using the platform Clickbank. So, for this method, what do you not need? Well, you can do this without any experience. You definitely do not need any special skills, you don't need a lot of money, and this can be done from absolutely anywhere in the world. And whilst we're talking about Clickbank, you can take what I'm going to teach you and you can apply this to any affiliate network. It can be Amazon, it can be JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and many more of these platforms. It's not specifically Clickbank, but overall the method, you can apply this to wherever you want basically. Now please make sure you watch this video till the end, because by the end of this video you will have the groundwork set up for the next part. And ultimately what we're going to be doing is, we're not just going to do a generic video like the ones I've seen on YouTube where they show you how to make money. I'm going to set you up for success, and this will be probably a 4-part series, because we'll go over this step by step, and by the end of every single video you'll know exactly what you need to do, what you don't need to do, and how to set this up ready for the next part. So very quickly though, before we jump into today's video, 2 days ago I did a giveaway on my channel for my YouTube course, so let's go and announce the winner for this really quickly. So we'll just jump over here, let's go and grab the video. I've grabbed the video here. It was this one here, how to make money over on YouTube. I'm not going to let this load up, but I'll come over here onto the comment picker, and I've already loaded in the URL here. You can see we had 24 unique commenters. So if I scroll down here, let's just click on grab a winner. Good luck to everyone. And our winner is Hancock. I can't even say that. I genuinely apologise. But if this is your name, congratulations, you've won a copy of my YouTube Passive Success course. It shows you how you can get started earning money on YouTube without being on camera, without speaking, and ultimately how to earn a passive income. So come over to my Facebook group, send me a message, and I'll give you the information to go ahead and get that course. If you want to be in with a chance to win my YouTube course, then simply comment course down below. And look, don't let the word YouTube freak you out, because you can do this without being on camera, without speaking, and lots more. So now that is out of the way, let's jump into today's video. So I hope you're ready for this. If you are, leave a like on the video, comment down below, and yeah, let's jump into today's video and I'll show you how you can get started making money on Clickbank. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online and from home, go in the description box down below and you will see you can get my free affiliate marketing course, you can get my free YouTube course, and many more. And for my #1 method to make money online, where you can earn anywhere from $100 daily up to $1,000, check out this link here. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So let's just dive straight into this. So we're going to use the platform Clickbank. If you've never seen Clickbank before, then just type in Google Clickbank and you can come over here and create a free account. So as I've mentioned, this is going to be a mini course essentially, and we're going to go over this literally step by step. So the first step, and this is where I speak to people about this all the time, and they genuinely mess around with this, and they take too much time deciding on this, and all we're doing here is we're going to decide on a category or a niche, and once we've decided on that, we find products to promote. You don't need to overcomplicate it. So over here in Clickbank, I've just come up to the marketplace, and on the left hand side you see here you've got all of these categories. This here would be known as a niche essentially. So this here, arts and entertainment, that is a niche, as seen on etc, etc. And if you click this drop down box here, just click on here, look, you've got additional niches or sub niches, so you can go through and decide on a product. Now look, very simple. If you don't want to mess about with this, the best niches and the best categories to find products to promote are health and fitness, wealth, and relationships. So find something within one of those to promote, because not only are these evergreen categories, which means people are always going to be searching for this content, on Google, on YouTube, wherever, that can also bring you in a passive income if you set this up correctly. And that's what we're going to be doing within this training course, within this mini series. So let's just go into a really simple one. Let's go into the wealth one, or the make money online one. Let's go to where is it? E-business and marketing. So if I click here, you can see, look, you've got all of these subcategories and niches. So if you don't want to go into specific, into a specific one, just click on the box here, e-business and marketing, and now it will bring you up all of the courses within this category here, e-business and marketing. And look, you can go and filter this via, recurring bills and lots of other ones. The simplest and the easiest way to filter this, you can leave it on rank or you can go to gravity. And basically gravity means the product which is sold the most within the last 48 hours. So what have we got on here? Blockbuster home business offer, Clickwell, etc. So basically go through and have a look at some of these different products on here. Now you see down here where it says affiliate page, if you click on here it will show you more information about the product and it'll tell you how much you can earn with this and lots more. So in this one here the average conversion is $193. So that means you can potentially earn $193 once somebody purchases the product. So if you want to check out the product in the beginning, you just click on here and click on there, open a new tab, and it's going to take you over to the sales page. So this here would be the sales page. It's not very big, is it? So what happens here is someone lands on this page here, they watch this video. I'm guessing it will have a call to action where they've got to put in their name and email here, and then they'll go over to like a webinar, or it could be anything basically. They could go into an email series or anything like that. So let me just come out with this one. Let me share with you another one. Let's go into, what's this, the 12-minute affiliate system. If I click on here, it opens up into a new tab, and again it will show you the home page. See, a lot of these are very similar. Let me just pause that guy there. A lot of these are very similar, and the reason being is if you send somebody over to this page here and they just watch this video and then that something happens, or they don't watch it through to the end, or they simply think I can't be bothered to watch this now and just click off, they've lost. However, over on this sales page here, and many more you're going to start seeing, they'll put in their name and they'll put in their email here, and then the owner of this product over on Clickbank, they will start following up and emailing them on your behalf. And if they purchase the product, then guess what? You earn an affiliate commission. So it's pretty cool. So let me just come out with this one here. Come out with this and we'll go back over here. So step one is we decide on a category or a niche. So literally just go through and pick one like we've done so far. Step two is find a product or products. You can have a number of products that you want to promote. When you're first starting out, I wouldn't suggest any more than say a maximum of 3 products, and make sure if you do select 3 that they are congruent with one another. Don't pick one from as seen on TV and then one in the make money online niche. Make sure they're all very relevant. So you click on here, it will show you the sales page. If you click on here where it says affiliate page, it will give you more information about the product you're promoting. So if I click on here, it's going to send me over to their affiliate page. And I'm just going to click on back there as well. So if I scroll down here, you can see the offer, how you make money, affiliate links, swipes, and more. So all the information on this page here is for you basically to market and start promoting this product. So you can find lots in here, but look at this sales funnel. So if you don't know, a sales funnel is basically the front end product. So this product here, you can see it costs $9.95 and you earn 50% commission. So you're earning nearly $5, which isn't a lot of money, granted. However, look at this funnel here. This is known as a sales funnel. So someone lands on the page here, they purchase the product here, they then get given an option or a one-time option to basically upgrade here. So you can see this OTO one, they can expect to 3 times their results, and lots of people do purchase these upsells. So this is the price here, it's $39. You will earn 50% commissions. If they buy this, it's great, isn't it? But if they say no thank you, well then that's not the end of the funnel. There's another page, OTO2, done for you. So if somebody doesn't want to set up this themselves, this company here will set it up. It's $67, you earn 50% commissions. And then again we've got another one here, and if you scroll down you've got additional upsells. this is a large sales funnel. But this is the power of a sales funnel. Instead of sending somebody to a $10 product and you only earn, $5 one time, well, look, you've got recurring commissions in here, and you've also got many more opportunities to earn some pretty decent money from this. And you can scroll through and you can find lots more information on here. So these are affiliate pages. They've all been done to help you make the most money from promoting the product over on Clickbank. So let me go over there. So once you've found your product and you've had a look at the affiliate page and you're really happy with that, the next step is simply clicking on the, let me scroll to the top, the promote tab here. So if we'll come down here, I'm just looking for that one. We're just looking at this 12-minute. Oh, it's here. You simply click on promote. It opens up into a new tab like this, and then what it will have up here is it says account nickname. So this is your nickname or your account over on Clickbank, and you can click on generate hop links. Now look, we won't go into any technical stuff, like you've got options here for tracking IDs and other bits, but look, we're not going to mess around with this stuff. We're just going to click on generate hop link. So I'm going to click on here. Now you see this link here. Basically this is my link over to this product here. So let me just click on go to, and I'll show you this. So you see, oh, it's gone. Let me try and show you that again.
Easy way of making money online that you've never seen before.
Sorry, oh God. Let me go back over here and I'll see if I can show you this again. So I'm going to copy this and click on go. Now watch up here, watch where it says, look, Fern 123. So basically your affiliate link is embedded on, I can't get rid of this guy, can I? So you have an affiliate link which is embedded and it tracks back to you. So anybody you send over to this page and they purchase, whether it's now or later on within the funnel, you earn an affiliate commission because it's tracked back to your account ID, which we just saw a second ago, which was this one over here. You see up here? So that is basically it. So look, let's have a look. We're at nearly 10 minutes. So I'm going to stop the video here, right? So this here now is our day one of making money on Clickbank. We decide on a category or a niche. Once we've done that, we find products that we want to promote. Once we've got the products that we want to promote, the next part is the most important part, and we're going to be covering this in part 2. And I can tell you now, 90% of people miss this step altogether. What happens is people go and get their affiliate links and they think, great, I'm just going to drive traffic to this, but they're doing it all wrong. So in the next video, in part 2, I'm going to show you how to set up the system so that this all runs basically on autopilot for you. And this is what I said at the beginning of today's video. If you set this up correctly, this can become a passive income for you. And it's really cool stuff. It doesn't take long. It's really, really simple to get all of this up and running. But if you miss out the next step, then you're going to not make as much money. And this is another reason why people ultimately quit with affiliate marketing, because they don't set up the systems to bring in a passive income. So look, that's today's video. That's part 1. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you probably tomorrow.